All right. So how many different shapes can you see there?
Two.
Two. What are they?
Triangle and rectangle.
Triangle and rectangle. So I'll just shade in the triangle. All right. So we'll look at the rectangle first of all. How do we get the area of the rectangle?
160.
What is it? How do I do it? Length by?
Width.
So length by
Width.
width. 8 times 20.
160.
160. Right. Now we'll get the area. So that's the rectangle. Get the area of the triangle.
Base by height.
Base by height.
And
But what is the height?
20.
What is the height?
The height is...
This height is the same as this height.
So it's 16.
120.
This height is 14,
6.
but this height is 8. So what is this height here?
6.
From there to there is
120.
6. 8 and 6 is 14. The height of the triangle is 6. What's the formula for the area of a triangle?
6.
So the perpendicular height times the base divided by 2. What's the height? The height is 6 times the base,
That's 20.
20,
Oh, wait.
and divide their answer by 2. 6 times 20 is 120, divided by 2,
Yeah,
60. Alright, so what's 60 and 160?
Add
220.
220.
Yeah.
So if it was centimetres, that's centimetres squared. If it's metres, it's metres squared. Right. Questions in a minute? Right. The next one is, here's the garden. So these questions are all on page 86. Right. So this is, you want to find the area of this shape here. So let's say this is all grass and this is a pool in the middle. So we want to get the area of the grass. So the best way to do it is find the area of the total rectangle. How do you do that?
height by
24 times 16.
Equals 384.
length by width.
Length by width?
384.
384. Now we want to take out the area of the swimming pool. If this is a pool,
Length by 4.
18 times 4 is equal to
72.
72. And what do we do now if we're taking it out?
Take
If we're taking it away, we're
Minus
taking it out, minus
Minus 72. 312.
312. So that was question 9 part 1. Alright, so there's a part 2 which you'll have to do at home. Right, the next question. This is question 10 part 1. On the same page, page 86. Right, if I have the area and I have the length, how do you get the other side?
84 divided by 12.
Yeah, well give me that. So 84 divided by 12.
70. 12.
What did you get?
70.
Not 70.
What?
7.
7. Sorry, I read it wrong.
Alright,
Yeah, man.
so I have to divide. Alright, so you'll do a question like that as well. And again on page 86, we have this question, part 1. This is part 1. This is question 11, part 1. 25 is a square number. Why do you think it's a square number?
Because
It looks like a
square.
square. I can make it into a square. Look at, if I count all these squares, there are 5. What's the length of the sides?
5 by 5.
You can see it's 5 and 5 is 25. Length of that side is, see, 5 by 5 is 25. Is 3 by 4, is that a square number? Which is 12.
No.
What is that? What shape is that?
Rectangle.
It's a rectangle. It's not, so 12 is not a square number. It doesn't make a square, does it?
No.
No. Alright. So, can you figure out what this one is? 144, just by counting the squares on top.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
What's
12 by 12.
12 by 12 is equal to,
144.
so the length of the sides are 12 by 12.
Square.
It's a square number, and I'll show you all the square numbers in a minute. What's the smallest square number you think you can make?
3 by 3.
What's the smallest square number?
1 by 1.
2.
Watch. 1 by 1 makes a square, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Right, what's the next one that makes a square number?
2 by
2
2.
with 2.
2 by 2 makes a square. Next.
3 by
So what's the area of that?
2 and 2. 9.
What's the area of this one? 1 by 1 is?
1.
2 by 2?
4.
4.
What's the next square number?
3.
3, 6.
9. 3 by 3.
9 is the square number, so it's 3 by 3.
4 by 4 is 16.
16. We've already got 5 by 5. After 5 by 5, what have we got? 6 by 6 makes. That's it, you keep on going. 6 by 6,
You can never
36. You can keep going.
7 by 7.
7 by 7, 49. 8 by 8,
64. 9 by 9, 81.
It never stops, does it not?
8, 8, 8, 64. 9 by 9, 81. 10 by 10,
100.
100. 11 by 11,
121.
121. And 12 by 12,
144.
144. Brilliant.